Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to download Facebook videos and Reels on your PC easily. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Go to facebook.com and log in. Now find the Facebook video or Reel you want to download. Open the video and pause it. Next, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. From the top of the Inspect panel, click the Toggle Device toolbar icon. This switches the page to Mobile View. Now click on the Network tab. Inside Network, select Media. After that, refresh the page so the mobile version loads properly. You'll now see a media link appear. Right-click on that link and choose Open in New tab. The video will open in a new tab. Click on the three dot and choose Download Video. Rename the file if you want, then click Save. Finally, open the downloaded file and play the video. That's it. Thanks for watching.